Atótó arére gbogbo ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa gbogbo níbikíbi tí ẹ bá ti láǹfààní láti gbọ́ mi. Èmi ọmọ yín náà ni olólùfẹ́ yín Àkàlàmàgbò TV. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ ṣe mọ̀ wá lórí ìkànnì bí ìṣe wa títúdé ní àṣálẹ́ láti máa mú wá fún yín ní ọ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan ìjèjì gbogbo bó ṣe ń lọ lórílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà bó ṣe ń lọ lórílẹ̀-èdè arírèmáṣe ní orílẹ̀-èdè Banana Republic bó ṣe ń lọ ńbẹ̀ a máa mú wá fún yín gẹ́gẹ́ bá ṣe ṣèpinnu fún yín lórí ìkànnì ẹ̀yin ènìyàn gidi ẹ̀ nílá fún orí yín ò ní burú Nàìjíríà wọ́n ní fi Nàìjíríà ṣépè fún yín o ṣe rí pé ìgbà tí mo pe Nàìjíríà wọ́n fẹ́ wú mi ní kọ́ irọ́ lẹ́ ń pa tó bá ní kọ́ mú ènìyàn lálàámú ẹnu báyìí ẹsẹ̀ fi ń pèkúrọ́ ojú ọ̀nà káfàtà èmi ẹkùn mo gbọ́n dànù mi original ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ wá àwọn strategies tí Fúlàní ń lò ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá tá a bá kọ́gbọ́n wà láàlè gbọ́n mọ́ lórí fídíò tẹ́ fẹ́ wò yìí tí a bá kọ́gbọ́n ẹ má jẹ́ fàágùn ẹ jẹ́ kí mú wá kẹ́ gbọ́ tí a bá kọ́gbọ́n lórí fídíò yìí wà láàlè gbọ́n mọ́ ẹ wò bọ́mọ Fúlàní ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ nínú àwọn bad egg good egg náà wà nù wọn màá join fídíò méjèèjì papọ̀ ọmọ Fúlàní fẹ́ lójú ọmọọṣẹ́ ọmọ Benue ni ọmọ state wo tẹ̀lé ọmọdé yìí náà ó láwọn ìyá wọn ní oògùn mo rò pé nílẹ̀ Nàìjíríà tó máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ àwọn ibi tí ọwọ́ ti gbó ilẹ̀ Yorùbá náà akọ́nà ọwọ́ sí o ẹ má ẹ̀ka fàájá a máa padà wá.
In the year 2014, early 2014, there is a serious war between my tribe in Nasarawa State and the Fulani. I mean a very serious war fight between my language and the Fulani. That war was called Ombase fight. This story I'm about to tell you is very educative and historical. Please help me share this video. I beg you. Help me share this video so that this video will get to many Nigerians who think their problem is from outside, not knowing that the problem of your house or the problem of your community is your community people. And the problem of Nigeria as a country is we Nigerians that are living in Nigeria, not to somebody from outside country. Early 2014, Fulani usually attack my people. But whenever they attack us, my people defeat them. My people were structurally oriented with culture. Juju, we chop juju. If they shoot us gun, you know they enter. If they enter us cutlass, you know they enter. If they use stick, any sort of weapon, it doesn't enter us. Fulani make several attempts to destabilize our villages. They couldn't. They invite their brother from neighboring country, Chad, Niger, other neighboring country, even neighboring states in Nigeria, to attack my particular tribe. They could not succeed. Guess what? Later in the year 2014, some month like September, October, these Fulani people begin to get access on how to defeat our people. How did they do that? The same Fulani people uses my tribal people, my people, the same people who fought together, they uses them in the front war. They rented those people, they hire our people, my tribal people. So whenever they are coming for war, it is my tribal people that will be at the forefront to first shoot at us. And if Fulani shoot us, it will not enter. But if our tribal people shoot us, it they enter. Now so Fulani conquer all our village. Now so Fulani destroy all our village, burn all the houses, all the churches, the mosques, the farm, they destroy all the crop in our village using our own people. So what is the story I'm not telling you here? This is what, oh my God, I beg, help me share this video. Help me share this video. Why am I telling you this story? I am telling you this story that for a Fulani man to be able to settle in your village and do whatever thing he is doing, people in that village, people in that community give them a backup. It is the people in that community that show them the road to enter that community and the road to go back out of that community. I could remember back in the days, if somebody want to rob you, there must be an informer from your compound that you have a money before armed robber can rob you. Before kidnapper will kidnap you, there must be an informant that yes, this person have money, or his brother or his relative have money. If they kidnap him, they can easily see ransom to pay for the person. You understand? So if you are saying that I am a king in my land, I am the representative of my people, I am the governor of my state, and I said these particular people, they are a problem to my people, so I will not allow them settle. How can them settle? They can never settle. So the enemy of a man is someone that knows him. The problem of Nigeria are we the Nigerians. And the problem of Fulani herdsmen, it is we that give them the land to settle, to raid their cattle. Because if they are not settled in a particular land in that community, they will not go about rearing their cow. Because whenever they go rearing their cow, they have to come back to a particular land to sleep, to gather their cows. I guess with this story, you can easily learn that Fulani herdsmen are not your enemy directly. It is people in your community that are your enemy. Most of this kidnapping or non-government we are talking about, we may easily assume na Fulani. It may be your blood brother, the same mother, the same father that is setting you up. It is your people that are setting you up, but you know that. Thank you so much for listening to this video.
Watch and listen with me.
Northern Nigeria is on the verge of an implosion. Until we tell ourselves the truth, nothing is going to stop that from happening. We, the Northerners, have a lot to learn from the Yorubas. We have a lot to learn from the Yorubas. How have the Yorubas been able to harness and manage their differences in terms of religion? How have they been able to manage that to an extent that it has not become a disaster to them? We need to learn that. So I am telling you this as a typical Northerner, that at any point in time you see a cleric scholar, a religious cleric scholar, telling you that you need to be so radical, you need to cause havoc on other people with the hope of getting a reward in heaven. Ask him the basic question. What is stopping him from going to heaven to get the result? What is stopping him from going to heaven to get the 72 virgins? And when he tells you that there is sunnah in having so much children, ask him the basic question, how many children does he have? How many children does he have that are on the streets, that are begging? Ask him those basic questions, and you'll get to see that at the end of the day, you are nothing but a tool in the hands of the politicians and in the hands of the fanatics. That is just what you are. Until you realize that, you're going to remain that. And I want to disabuse the Northerner minds in regards to this concept that makes them feel or think that we own Nigeria. We are the power of Nigeria. To me, that is a delusion of the highest order. The dynamics have changed, but since it's something that has been implanted in your mind, you still think it's still the same. But it's not. I am telling you. Let's ask yourself the question, what is your GDP? What is the GDP of the North in comparison to that of the Yoruba land, in comparison to that of the East? And the last time I checked, there's no comparison. Lagos is operating as a country on its own. And Lagos can feed all, if not to some certain extent, almost the whole of the North with its GDP. And when you feel you want to fight an attack and win victory on a particular region, what do you use? It's not the game of numbers. It's the game of resources. And it's evidently clear now that they have their resources more than you. So why are you still living with that delusion that you control Nigeria and you control the power? It's not. It's only when it comes to shady politicking, fanatic religious ideologies, that is where numbers count. But when it comes to progress and development, numbers don't count. Numbers doesn't count. It's evident. Don't pursue numbers. Don't pursue radical religious ideologies. Pursue development. Pursue quality of life. Stop marrying so many people and giving birth to so many children that you can't account for, that cannot compete with the global trend. That is just it. Until you learn that, you will live with that delusion. And I'm telling you wholeheartedly that that delusion is highly unrealistic and is not the reality of the day. Till you realize that, you will never come true. As a matter of fact.
Hello. Yes, ẹ káàbọ̀ padà. Ẹ ti wò, ẹ ti gbọ́ nǹkan tó sọ. Ó ní gbogbo àwọn nǹkan alálẹ̀ tí àwọn baba ńlá wọn jogún fún wọn, ó ní wọ́n lò tán fi kojú Fúlàní. Ó ní Fúlàní sá lọ tèfètèfè wọ́n sá kàbàkàbà wọ́n sá fìlú wọn sílẹ̀ wọ́n wá lọ strategize ẹ mọ̀ wọ́n ní ọgbọ́n àyíníkẹ́ àti àyínípadà kò sí ètò sí lọ́wọ́ àwọn ẹni bí wọ̀nyí kò sí ọgbọ́n àyíníkẹ́ àyínípadà tí ò sí ní ọwọ́ wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ fún yín ṣe rí ọgbọ́n tí wọ́n lè lò wọ́n á lọ wá owó tí wọ́n á fi confuse ọmọ ìlú wọ́n á wá àwọn ọmọ ìlú tó ń ṣe pẹ̀lú wọn ni mo ṣe ń fi ń tẹ̀ mọ́ wa létí ẹ má máa mú Fúlàní ní ọ̀rẹ́ wọ́n á wọlé sí yín lára ẹ̀sùn gbàgbéra ni wàláì ẹ̀sùn gbàgbéra Fúlàní á wọlé sí yín lára ẹyẹ máa mú wọn lọ́rẹ̀ẹ́ kì í ṣe ẹni tẹ́yàn ń mú lọ́rẹ̀ẹ́ ni wọ́n ṣe fi ń ṣọ̀rẹ́ wọ́n ti pẹ́ lórí ilẹ̀ wa wọ́n ti ṣe kinní kan irọ́ ló wà ń bẹ̀ o wàláì tàlà irọ́ ló wà ń bẹ̀ àwọn yẹn ló burú jù ẹgbọ́n nǹkan tó sọ èmi kan ṣáà ló sọ gbogbo nǹkan tó ń lò tó fi ń kojú wọn tó gbogbo wọn ti jẹ nǹkan sára wọ́n ṣá wọn kò rọ̀ wọ́n yìnbọn sí wọn kò rọ̀ wọ́n kí ni wọ́n ṣe fún wọn tó ràn wọ́n sá lọ wọ́n wá lọ ronú sí nǹkan míì tí wọ́n kò sí ọgbọ́n tí ò sí lọ́wọ́ àwọn ẹni bí wọ̀nyí wọ́n wá lọ wá àwọn ọmọ ìlú wọ́n wá empower wọn wọ́n kó nǹkan fún wọn wọ́n gbówó fún wọn wọ́n gbé ọkọ̀ bẹ̀ẹ̀bẹ̀ẹ̀bẹ̀ fún wọn àwọn yẹn náà wá kó síwájú torí pé oògùn tí wọ́n ṣe wọn ò ṣe pé ókè ọmọ ìlú bá yìnkan sí wa kó má mú wa torí wọ́n mọ̀ pé wọ́n ṣáà lè máa para wọn ọmọ ìlú náà wá kó síwájú ogun àwọn ọmọ ìlú wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí yìnbọn wọ́n wá ń pa àwọn èèyàn ara wọn ṣe rí eléyìí àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá wà láì wọ́n lè ṣe tó ju eléyìí lọ ṣé wọ́n tẹ̀ tí ń ṣe ni a lè ṣe nǹkan tó ju eléyìí lọ ẹ̀yin èèyàn ẹ̀yin babaláwo ẹ̀yin ọlọ́wọ́ ẹ̀yin tó mọ ewé tí egbò àwọn ẹ̀yin tó mọ ewé tó mọ egbò ẹ̀yin náà lẹ mọ àyíníkẹ́ tẹ́ mọ àyínípadà ẹ mọ àwọn nǹkan tẹ́ lè ṣe ẹ ti gbọ́ eléyìí sìn ẹ ti gbọ́ ẹ tú fídíò ìwò kẹ́tí tù wò ẹ bá wa fọ́ káàkiri ẹ bá wa share káàkiri this video wà very important ní orí nǹkan tá a gùn lé lórí sìn ní nǹkan tó wà ńlẹ̀ wá ń sìn fídíò tí mo fi hàn wá yìí ó wà very very important fún wa bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ fídíò tẹ́ wò tán yìí ó wà very important ẹ gbọ́ ọmọ Fúlàní kejì ẹ gbọ́ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ ẹ gbọ́ bó ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ àwọn èèyàn wọn àṣẹ a lè rírú ọmọ Fúlàní Bello kó sọ̀rọ̀ ilé bọ́ọ̀yì ti máa ń sábà ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí ó ti máa ń sọ ní gbogbo ìgbà òun stand on a truth tá bá wò dáadáa ó lè má jẹ́ Fúlàní ó possible ó dẹ̀ lè jẹ́ pé partly torí wọ́n ti wọnú ara wọn lókè wọn lọ́hùn yẹn ìsára kí ìyá jẹ́ Fúlàní kí bàbá jẹ́ Haúsá ó kí bàbá jẹ́ Fúlàní kí méjà wọ́n ṣáà ti rí bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn bọ̀ tí eléyìí ń sọ ohun tó ọ̀rọ̀ bọ̀ síbẹ̀síbẹ̀ kò sí ohun tó ọ̀rọ̀ tó lè sọ kò sí nǹkan tí bọ́ ṣe ń pìtàn ajá tó fẹ́ kọlẹ̀ mọ́mù kò jọra wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ ni kò jọra wọn gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń bìlífù lórí pé Nàìjíríà kò sọ́gbọ́n tẹ́ lè dá sí ọ ṣẹ́rí mọ́ ti ń fa bàbá yín Tinubu ń sìn àwọn FBI ṣe mọ̀ pé Donald Trump kò rán ya anybody kò méwé kò gbá àgbo Donald Trump kò gbá àgbo wọ́n fẹ́ tó àṣírí Tinubu níbi tọ́rọ̀ wà ń sìn Ọlọ́run bàbá o Ọlọ́run o wọ́n ní bàbá wọn ló lọ́wọ́ ní àwọn kọ̀ọ̀kan rí o wọ́n náà fẹ́ tú síta wọ́n náà fẹ́ ó dà wọ́n ti tú gan mo rí ẹnìkan wà lórí láì fún sí lára àwọn èèyàn wa kan pé wọ́n ti tú gbogbo àwọn kinní wọ́n ti tú síta ẹ̀rí nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ a pè bàbá yìí nígbà yẹn 2023 ẹ wá ṣe president lé Yorùbá nation lórí yes ọmọ Yorùbá ni ẹ ọmọ olódòdẹ ẹ wá ṣe president lé wa lórí wọ́n ní rárá o pé Nàìjíríà làwọn fẹ́ tẹ̀lé o Nàìjíríà ti ń ṣòyìn ní Nàìjíríà ń sìn kò sí tó bá sọ pé ó fẹ́ tẹ̀lé Nàìjíríà torí kò ní mínì what is the meaning of Nigeria kò ní mínì what is the official language of the Nigeria kò sí okay èdè wo náà ń pè ní Nàìjíríà aṣáàṣe èdè náà fi ń pe oríṣiríṣi àwọn ìlú èdè ẹ̀rọ àwọn British ní wọ́n máa pè wọ́n ní English torí wọ́n mọ̀ pé àwọn ní English àwọn America gan wọn kì í ṣe English wọn ń ṣòyìnbó yes àwọn British àwọn gan ní English bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àwọn Italo èdè wọn náà láti pè wọ́n Italo Spain Spanish language àwọn French ọ̀nà òní kí wá ní titi yín náà kò sí this is one of the thing ó wà very simple pé ká lo ọpọlọ wa láti mọ̀ kò lè work òun la fi ń kígbe lójoojúmọ́ àdẹ̀ ní ṣe láláì máa kígbe kò lè sún wa ẹ bá rò pa ìjọ kan tó bá ti sún wọn ṣe bí wọ́n á lọ jòkó irọ́ ni kò lè sún wa tó bá ti sún wọn wọ́n gba ariwo tó ń pa yẹn tó bá ti sún wọn wá lọ jòkó kò lè sún wa o láíláyé kò lè sún wa tó bá rẹ̀ mí máa lọ jòkó máa mú mi máa padà dìde máa ṣe fídíò akẹnubò yìí ẹnu la fi bá ti ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo ń sọ fún wọn ẹlẹ́ẹ̀fẹ́ ẹ̀fẹ́ ẹ̀kọ́ ẹ̀báyà àwọn ẹ̀wọ̀ bọ́n ṣe ń pa killings everywhere ẹ̀mí ò jọ wọ́n lójú ẹ wá lọ kó bọ fún wọn kó máa fi pa wá kiri ẹ lọ kó ìbọn fún wọn ẹ wo bullet ẹ wo oríṣiríṣi ìbọn lọ́wọ́ àwọn ẹni bu àwọn kinní burúkú wọn kó máa fi pa àwọn èèyàn tẹ́ ń ṣèjọba lé lórí ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ bá wa pín ètò yìí ohun tá à ń sọ fún yín gbogbo ìgbà ni ẹ bá wa share ẹ share kó lọ fà ẹ jẹ́ kó lọ lógún ẹ jẹ́ kó lọ lọ́gbọ̀n bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mi mọ̀ bó ṣe ń ká yín lára sí o bó ṣe ń ké mi lára sí ni mo fi ń jáde ní gbogbo ìgbà tí mo wá fi ń ṣojúṣe mi ètè mi lè ṣe lélẹ́yìí ẹ̀yin náà ẹ ṣe tẹ́ lè ṣe ẹ má dẹ̀ máa wo fídíò wa láì comment please drop your comment whatever ẹ kú ètò ìsìn comment ẹ kú iṣẹ́ takuntakun comment ni ẹ kí wa ẹ jẹ́ kó yọ èkí látẹnu yín sí wa ẹ bá wa turn pump sí orí ètò wa kì í ṣe orí tó dé mí nìkan gbogbo àwọn tó gbé òǹtọ́ lọ́wọ́ tẹ́ ń wò ẹ máa ṣe àwọn kinní wọn sórí program ó wà very important ó máa help platform wa láti gbé fídíò wa rìn torí nǹkan tá à ń ṣe nìyẹn láti jẹ́ kí fídíò wa rìn dé àwọn ibi tí ẹ kún rìn dé ẹ máa make sure kẹ́ máa ṣe àwọn kinní fún wa kò ní bàjẹ́ o èmi ọmọ yín ọ̀rẹ́ yín olólùfẹ́ yín Àkàlàmàgò TV ẹyẹ méjì ò kì í jàṣà ẹ̀yin náà ẹ mọ̀ ẹ̀ ní lá fún ẹ mọ̀ bájá ń sáré ẹṣin ń sáré ìyálà ìyá ajá kan lè lérè ẹṣin lẹ́sẹ̀ o ó dàárọ̀.